Okay, so features to highlight today is 9 things. Version 9.0, so let's take 9 things. Import 3D assets dashboard, that's very much improved. And I play with that, and you'll see that I basically scanned a lot of objects around this room, and you'll see how well that functions. Smooth lesson interface, we completely changed the user interface, so it's very different from what you used to have in 8.4. Improve the lesson playlist. The visual quality speaks for itself. And also the ability to do things in different modalities. So you can see here that this thing here is the same as that thing there. It's just different modalities. One is XR, and the other one is virtual reality. The XR meetings, perhaps one of the most popular features, that you can experience this in different modalities, different locations. The marketplace, we have improved that, the dashboard. The whole admin section with analytics is totally brand new. And also now XR desktop for Mac, both on creation side and experience. We have both working. And in fact, I'm on a Mac right now. And of course, Oculus, we love Oculus. I created first a digital twin. So I used just this camera here, and I created a digital twin of the room. Okay, that was the first step. Then I start, when I have it, to illuminate it. So I injected first a lot of knowledge to this room. So each object that is scanned, I've attached video information, I've attached different type of data. And once I've done that, I reversed it. So I took that knowledge from the virtual room into the physical room. So I start to annotate my real world. How do we go from the model to the real thing? Explain that to us.
Yeah, so what we have is a feature called life size. So what we can do is that, like, we can make the model match exactly the physical size of your room. So with that, you can, overlay your model exactly on the physical world.
And the annotation then appear glued to the physical world.
Exactly, because you have the same location, right? So the model exactly matches that, and then the annotations will just overlay on top of your physical world.
And finally, just to top it off, I invited my friends.
I was walking around in Dan's atelier, and then as you can see, this is kind of like what I was seeing using just my mobile phone, so I can be able to navigate in exactly the same way that he's doing. And as you can see, Dan can see my where I am at that moment.
And right now I'm pointing you to our use case page. So it's really good to know if you want some examples of how customers are using our platform, examples of our partners or users, how they're engaging with our platform.
And then once I got involved, I thought, you know what, I think I want to do this myself. It's not hard at all. It's actually a lot easier. And then my mind just kind of raced, and I was like, no. Yes, of course, I'll design, but I can put this right in the hands of the students. And I have always found in my 11 years of teaching that students learn better from each other than they do from any instructor.